Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing the recipe of the Ladyfingers or Savoiardi. This is used to make tiramisu, charlotte cake or trifle. I made tiramisu using this Ladyfingers and I'll leave the link in the description below. I would say the texture of the Ladyfingers would be somewhere between the cake and a cookie. Let's start by making the cake flour. Take 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl and remove 1 tablespoon out of it. Add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now we are going to whip the egg whites using an electric beater. Once the egg white turns frothy, add in the sugar little by little and continue beating. One important thing while whisking the egg whites is that the bowl shouldn't have any moisture content. The egg white should be stiff peak consistency like this. If you turn the bowl upside down, it shouldn't fall off, so this should be the consistency. In another bowl, take egg yolks and beat well. Add in sugar little by little and continue beating. Beat it until the egg yolk turns light and pale yellow color. Add in the vanilla essence and continue beating. Egg yolk mix is ready now. Sift in the cake flour into the egg yolk and mix it gently. We have to fold in the cake flour gently and try not to overmix it. Do not use the electric beater while folding in the cake flour. The batter will be quite thick only like this. Add in the egg white little by little and continue mixing. We have to handle this batter gently or else our ladyfingers will be hard. Our Ladyfingers or Savoiardi batter is ready now. Now transfer this batter into a piping bag. With this measurement, I am able to fill in the batter in 2 piping bags. I am using a Ladyfingers silicone mold here, but this is not at all mandatory. You can bake it on a cake tray lined with greased parchment paper. Now I am filling in the batter onto the mold. Same way you have to pipe it on a cake tray. I am able to make nearly 25 Ladyfingers. Give it a tap so that the air bubbles goes off. I baked it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The baking time completely depends on your oven type. Our Ladyfingers or Savoiardi is ready now. I just cooled it slightly and unmolding it from the mold now. I placed it on a wire rack and dusting it with icing sugar immediately. Now flipping the Ladyfingers and dusting it with icing sugar. The Ladyfingers or Savoiardi is ready now. Look at the texture of the Ladyfingers, friends. I made tiramisu, which is a famous coffee-flavored Italian dessert, using these Ladyfingers. Do try this tiramisu using the Ladyfingers. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.